Hello, 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 everybody. So my name is Kimberly Warren. I am your Diamond Coach, the leader of Energy Elite. We focus on exercise, nutrition, empowerment, refocus, growth in you, because it all begins with you. Now, tonight I just wanted to go ahead and introduce you guys and say thank you so much for coming to our Girl Boss Bootcamp opportunity training. Right now, I want to take the time and explain to you guys the 3 different types of coaches, so then that way we can go ahead and establish what you're really looking for with this opportunity that has been approached to you guys. So coach number 1 is actually just a discount coach. This is actually going to be somebody who joined as a coach with a challenge pack. So you went ahead and you chosen your program that you want to do as your workout program, also chose your Shakeology flavor. You did not have to pay your $40 coach fee, since that has, been waived as signing up as a coach. And you're going to get a 25% discount ongoing moving forward. Basically, this type of coach is a coach who is just focused mainly on themselves as a priority and reaching their own health and fitness goals. Now, number 2 coach is basically somebody who is a part-time coach or wants to just treat this as a hobby. You could have went ahead and purchased a challenge pack or just a bag of Shakeology and paid the extra $40 for a coach to join. Now, this is just a coach who's going to make some extra money, focus on themselves still as a priority, of course, in health and fitness. But this is when financially a little bit increases, to whereas if they're inspiring somebody along the way, that's wonderful. They're going to go ahead and join on this journey with them, and then they'll also earn 25% commission on all other, people that they inspire along the way. Coach number 3 is a coach like me, kind of a coach like a lot of my girls on Team Energy Elite. We are basically girl bosses. We bring the heat, we pack it, we mean business. Even though we are busy and we still have full-time jobs, and most of us are full-time employees, we do have some awesome stay-at-home mamas, though, that work the business as well, just as much as us people, like all of us as well. And this is where you really want to focus on increasing your income. You're doing this because you're passionate about it. You're doing it because it's affected your life, and you want to take that and affect somebody else's life for the better as well. So I want you to go ahead and reach out to your upline at this time, whether it be me or one of the leaders on Team Energy Elite, and let us know what opportunity and what type of coach that you think that you are, so then that way we know best on how to treat your training to go ahead and move forward in this opportunity within the Girl Boss Bootcamp. I hope this helps, and I'm super excited to get started. We'll talk to you soon.